Did you know that ginger has been used for over 5,000 years as a natural remedy? Ancient civilizations, including the Chinese and Indians, prized it not only as a spice, but also as a powerful medicine. Modern science now backs what they knew all along. Ginger is a powerhouse of health benefits that can transform your life. Here are 12 reasons why adding ginger to your diet might just be one of the best health decisions you ever make. Reason number 1. Manages blood sugar levels. Blood sugar spikes and crashes can make you feel sluggish and moody. Research has shown that ginger can help regulate blood sugar levels, preventing those dreaded midday crashes. Instead of reaching for an energy drink or an extra cup of coffee, a little ginger in your meal can keep you feeling alert and balanced throughout the day. Reason number 2. Relieves gas and bloating. We've all been there. Uncomfortable bloating, embarrassing gas, and that tight feeling in the stomach. Ginger is a natural carminative, meaning it helps eliminate excess gas from your digestive system. A warm cup of ginger tea before bed can work wonders in soothing your stomach and ensuring a restful, gas-free night. Reason number 3. Aids in weight loss. If you're looking to shed some pounds, ginger might just be your new best friend. Studies suggest that it can help boost metabolism and enhance fat burning. It also has appetite-suppressing properties, which means you'll feel full longer and be less tempted to snack mindlessly throughout the day. Plus, it helps regulate cortisol levels, a stress hormone linked to belly fat storage. Reason number 4. Boosts nutrient absorption. Eating healthy is great, but are you actually absorbing all the nutrients from your food? Ginger enhances the body's ability to absorb vitamins and minerals from the digestive system, ensuring that you get the most out of your meals. This is especially important if you're focusing on a nutrient-dense diet. Without proper absorption, even the healthiest meals might not be as beneficial as you think. Reason number 5. Improves circulation. Ever feel like your hands and feet are constantly cold? Poor circulation could be the culprit. Ginger acts as a natural blood thinner, improving circulation and promoting warmth throughout the body. This makes it a perfect winter remedy to keep you cozy and comfortable. Better circulation also means more oxygen and nutrients reach your organs and muscles, keeping your body functioning at its best. Reason number 6. Relieves pain and reduces inflammation. Ginger is nature's painkiller. Whether it's muscle soreness, menstrual cramps, or arthritis pain, ginger's anti-inflammatory properties help to reduce discomfort. Some studies even suggest that it works just as well as over-the-counter painkillers, without the potential side effects. If you suffer from chronic pain, making ginger a staple in your diet could be a game changer. Reason number 7. Fights bad breath. Fresh breath isn't just about brushing your teeth. What you eat plays a role too. Ginger helps cleanse the mouth by neutralizing bad odors and killing bacteria that cause bad breath. Chewing on a small piece of ginger or drinking ginger tea after meals can leave your mouth feeling refreshed. Plus, it stimulates saliva production, which naturally helps wash away food particles and bacteria. Reason number 8. Boosts the immune system. With cold and flu season always lurking, having a strong immune system is essential. Ginger has powerful antibacterial and antiviral properties that help your body fight off infections. Adding ginger to your daily routine can strengthen your immune defenses and reduce your chances of getting sick. It's especially effective when combined with other natural remedies like honey and lemon. Reason number 9. Clears sinuses and reduces congestion. Struggling with a stuffy nose? Ginger contains active compounds that help break down mucus and clear the sinuses. A hot cup of ginger tea can provide instant relief by opening up the airways and reducing congestion. Plus, its natural antimicrobial properties can help prevent infections that contribute to sinus issues. Reason number 11. Supports heart health. Ginger has been linked to lower cholesterol levels and improved heart function. It helps reduce the risk of heart disease by preventing blood clots, lowering blood pressure, and decreasing inflammation in the arteries. Including ginger in your diet is a simple yet effective way to support cardiovascular health. Studies even suggest it may help reduce the risk of stroke by improving circulation and reducing arterial plaque buildup. Reason number 11. Fights nausea and motion sickness. Whether it's morning sickness, motion sickness, or nausea from an illness, ginger has been a go-to remedy for centuries. Studies show that it can be just as effective as prescription nausea medications, making it a safe and natural alternative. If you're prone to travel sickness, keeping ginger chews or capsules on hand can make all the difference. Reason number 12, has potential anti-cancer properties. Some research suggests that ginger's bioactive compound, 6-gingerol, has anti-cancer properties. It has shown promise in slowing the growth of cancer cells and reducing inflammation that contributes to cancer progression. While more studies are needed, adding ginger to your diet certainly won't hurt. Plus, its overall anti-inflammatory benefits can help create a healthier internal environment. How to incorporate more ginger into your diet. Now that you know how incredible ginger is, the next step is figuring out how to make it a regular part of your diet. Here are some easy ways to do just that. Ginger tea. Simply slice fresh ginger and steep it in hot water for a soothing tea. Add honey or lemon for extra flavor. Smoothies. Blend ginger with fruits and vegetables for an extra health kick. Cooking. Add grated ginger to stir-fries, soups, curries, and marinades. Ginger shots. Juice fresh ginger and take a small shot in the morning for an instant energy boost. Baking. Use ginger in homemade cookies, bread, or muffins. Candied ginger. Enjoy it as a sweet and spicy treat. Ginger supplements. If fresh ginger isn't always available, high-quality ginger capsules can be a convenient option. What to look for when buying ginger. If you're ready to start incorporating ginger into your diet, here are a few tips to ensure you pick the best quality. Look for firm, plump ginger roots without soft spots or wrinkles. The bigger the ginger root, the older and stronger the flavor. Store ginger in the fridge to keep it fresh longer. If buying powdered ginger, opt for organic brands to avoid additives and fillers. Ginger isn't just a spice. It's a natural medicine cabinet in a root. From boosting your immune system to aiding digestion and even potentially fighting cancer, this humble ingredient packs a serious punch. So the next time you're at the grocery store, grab some fresh ginger and start reaping the incredible benefits for your health. By making small changes to your diet and adding ginger into your daily routine, you can unlock a wide range of health benefits. Whether you sip it in tea, blend it in smoothies, or use it in your cooking, ginger is a simple yet powerful way to support overall well-being. Remember, ginger has been used as a natural remedy for over 5,000 years. And because of this, it is the ultimate spice you should have in your kitchen at all times. Start incorporating it today and experience the difference for yourself. If you found this information useful, please hit that like button. Share it with someone who needs to hear it, and subscribe for more videos on personal growth and healing. And as always, thank you for listening, and we'll see you next time.